Hey guys, I'm Ashley Durham with the Auburn Opelika Lifestyle Group at Prestige Properties, and I'm here to keep you in the know with all things real estate. Today, I'm excited to have with us Trace Hamiter. He's a great friend of mine from college, and he's recently opened a business called Abide Home Solutions. And at Auburn Opelika Lifestyle, we have partnered with Abide. Every homeowner who buys a home from Auburn Opelika Lifestyle Group gets an opportunity to have Abide come into their home for 1 hour after closing, and I'm sure many more hours if they choose to do more business with you. So Trace, tell us a little bit about your business.
Yeah, so Abide exists to do just that, to help homeowners abide, to rest, to enjoy their home in the way they want to, right? Because we all know there's so many things to do, especially if you just bought a house and you're moving in. There's pictures to hang, artwork to hang, drapes, all this different kind of stuff. Maybe you got new things you want to do. So Abide exists to help you get the stuff done you want at your house while you are able to still rest and enjoy your house.
So we are giving back to our customers rest and time. Those are two commodities that are hard to come by. A lot of our customers also don't necessarily have the tools that they need to hang the pictures or hang the drapes. And so you provide all of that too. They just have to sit back and watch, right?
Yeah, we take care of it, so you don't have to worry about spending the money to go get all these new tools, or you don't have to worry about getting in an argument with your spouse over how it wasn't hung right, it needs to be rehung or something like that. We try and help out in all those ways.
Cool. And when we're listing a home, we go in a lot of times, and this audience knows we bring in our stager for Auburn Opelika Lifestyle Group, and you have a service that may help someone listing their home also in cleaning out or getting things ready.
We've done a lot to help people get their homes ready to sell. As you know, I mean, there's so much that you overlooked because you were just living there and just not used to seeing it that needs to be improved, changed, taken away, added to in order to get your house to a point where it can get the most value back to you.
Right.
And so we've come in for multiple homes to help them get to that point where it's really ready to sell and get you the highest amount of profit off of it.
Perfect. Well, we are really excited to partner with Abide. Check us out at Auburn Opelika Lifestyle Group and buy a home, and we'll give you a certificate to work with Abide as well.